Okay, this is a New Holland L-785. This used to have a Perkins 4.203, which is a direct injection engine. We swapped it out for an older 4.203 simply because there were no 4.203.2s available. We didn't rebuild the old one because the block was cracked. I've hooked up everything. The only issue really we had here was with the intake. The old 4.203.2 had a newer style intake manifold. It's also known as the lip seal engine. This is the clamp seal engine. So I need to just figure out how we're going to mount that intake, but everything is hooked up and ready to go. So the first thing we're going to do is bleed the injector pump. I'm going to cycle the key a few times. Getting the fuel pump going. Got fuel out of all the injectors. Let's see if this baby fires now. Alright, all the injectors are tight. Should fire. She runs.